Hello shining stars, welcome back to my channel Seraphic Star Life. I hope you guys are taking good care of yourself and your loved ones. First of all, thanks to everyone who has been supporting me and loving me. It really means a lot to me and I really appreciate each one of your love and support shown so far on this journey. So thank you once again. And if you have just stumbled upon this channel for the first time, then a warm welcome to you on this flourishing, thriving and abundant channel energy. I am Dimple Sharma. My page name is Seraphic Star Life. I am a tarot card reader, a spiritual healer and a coach. I love creating tarot guidance, picker card readings and birthday special messages videos, self-healing, manifesting videos on this channel for you all. Now, if you also want to request a reading, a birthday reading for yourself or for someone else, then you need to request it in a week advance. My Instagram link and Facebook page link is mentioned in the description box below. If you want to request a birthday reading for yourself or for someone else, then you need to connect with me and let me know a week in advance. Okay, coming to the video, wishing a very happy birthday to all the shining stars who have their birthdays today on 1st of October, and a happy month to each one of you. The video is created with the highest intentions to provide you guidance that you need to know what is it that you need to know right now for your upcoming year and how you can make the most of it using the guidance. Comment below if you know someone who has their birthday today. Please do share this video with all your friends, family and loved ones and make their day little special with the guidance provided here in this video for the upcoming year. Also, please remember, this is a general reading and you may not resonate with everything that I share as the guidance here. So be receptive. Whatever resonates with your situation or with you, just be receptive to it and take it with you. Enjoy the reading. Now, as you can see here, I have laid out the 3 cards here. So this is the birthday spread that I use for all of my birthday videos. So the first card here is representing the energy for your upcoming 6 months, the theme or the energy. The second card here is representing your strengths or the lessons that you really need to learn in this upcoming year to be able to evolve yourself. Okay, and then this is the third card, and this card is representing the ultimate potential for this upcoming year for you. Okay, so the first card here is the Chariot. This is a major arcana card and this is the angel of guidance, and as this card is the first card and representing the energy for the upcoming 6 months, it looks like a lot of you have made some decision in life which could be related to your relationship, your career, job, health, and you are all set to move on in life. So there has been a situation where you have been thinking a lot, but now finally you have made your decision and you are on that path. So one thing that I notice here is that the Chariot is number 7 card, and the in 2021 your personal year number is also going to be number 7. So this is a year wherein you will be, full of dedication, focused on your self-development. And the one guidance that I have for you all is that because you are going through a transition phase, you have taken a decision, you are moving on in your life, so you really need to stay grounded in this upcoming year. Okay, the decision that you have made is taking you on the right path. Okay, the path is little challenging ahead, but the success is guaranteed provided you stay grounded, confident, focused and dedicated on your path. The upcoming 6 months, you really need to learn self-control. You need to learn to master yourself. The important guidance from your fairies is to not get distracted until you accomplish your goals. Trust yourself that each day you are getting one step closer to your goal. So just stay focused. You need to be a leader now and not a follower. The success waits ahead for you. provided you are focused on your path and do not get pulled into many directions. So just stay focused for these upcoming 6 months. This is a time wherein you are going to, reflecting within yourself. Okay, so enjoy this energy. Now, the second card here is the Three of Summer, which is your strength and the lessons to be learned in this upcoming year. So the first guidance here that I see for you is that you really need to be grateful for all sides of blessings. Appreciate the little things in life, because the more we appreciate something, the more of it we create in our life. So if you really appreciate the blessings that are coming into your life, you are creating more blessings in abundance into your life. So just embrace gracefully each moment as the God, the angels, the fairies are sending lots and lots of blessings and love to your way. I'm very much sure a lot of you would be receiving joyful news, bringing a cause to celebrate it. Then also it's very important, at the same time, when such good things come to us, it's very important that you stay connected with your loved ones and keep telling them that how much do you love them. Don't look for any perfect occasion or any particular thing to happen to tell them or show them that how much you love them. Show them every day that how much you love them and appreciate being them in your life. Okay, also I see that if there has been any illness, any physical ailments, then I do see your health improving and getting that vibrant energies into your health and life. You are going to inviting or being around such people who have very vibrant energy. Okay, I see a lot of abundant creative energy around you in this upcoming year. And it's like, how we have in our weddings, parties, and yeah, this could be your very own engagement ceremony too. It could be. So the guidance is just enjoy, just embrace these moments, live them to the fullest. And for some of you, I also see planning for a baby or expanding your family. Okay, so that's a good news, right? Now let's come to the third card. The third card is the Nine of Spring, which is your ultimate potential for the upcoming year. This year you are going to be in a very strong position where you will work hard, overcome all your obstacles and challenges, especially when it comes to your work or your business. But try not to get defensive in order to save all your hard work, because that takes us in a negative pattern and even gets very exhausted to be always standing and guarding all the work that we have done. Okay, your focus should only be on moving ahead in life. Don't get afraid that anyone is going to take away your hard work. I do see success ahead for you, for sure. I do see that all your hard work efforts will be recognized and appreciated. You just need to be wise enough to use your energy only for the positive things. The guidance would be that plan all your activities ahead of time so that you do not overexert yourself or get exhausted. Okay, so just make sure that you are focused on your goal, you are positive at all the time. And that's all that I have for you, shining stars. I hope you like the guidance. Do give a thumbs up to the video, please, and have a fantastic birthday full of joy, happiness, and lots of positivity and divine blessings. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do not forget to share it with your friends and family. If you would like to take a personal tarot reading session, then you can connect through my Instagram handle mentioned in the description box below. Thank you and namaste.